So just in short, children, clarity is very very necessary of what you want to achieve. So this is the first step. Keep your options ready. You can have many options. You want to pursue to become a doctor. At the same time, you want to be a singer or anything more. That's also a welcome. What do I want to do? So you have to think what you want to do, whether you want to start your career, your own business, change career. You're not happy, change. There's no problem, there's no harm. Work hard to get promoted, or go back to school. Go back to school in the sense you want to study further. So for your career, you need education, you need knowledge and skill, experience, training for that particular job, your ability, and this is how the goals are going to reach you. Over there, it's like a cycle. Developing a career path strategy, this is very very important for you. If you know what career path you want to pursue, you can start to outline a strategy now. Begin your career path strategy by writing down your ultimate goal, ultimate final goal. Okay, suppose you want to be a farmer or you want to be an engineer. When you write your career path strategy, include the educational qualifications you'll need, such as degrees, and the training each job requires. Think about informal as well as formal opportunities for learning. Ask yourself, what other experience do I need to reach my career goals? So for example, you want to become a banker. So you should be knowing that you need commerce for that, and what are the other courses that you will require. Okay, computer knowledge you require, an accountancy or banking course you require. So all these things you have to understand. Who are you? What do I like doing? What are activities I don't like? What are my interests? What values are important to me? What are my talents? What am I good at doing? So all this will help you to understand what is the option that you should choose out of the many that you have. So be yourself and choose your own career, children. So know yourself. Career planning, see, it revolves around that. First you need to know yourself. So once you know yourself, the task of understanding who you are, what motivates and drives and excites you, okay, then you can explore the task of understanding the employment landscape and what opportunity exists in the world work. You can act accordingly. The task of turning your ideas into action. Decide the task of processing information about yourself and what opportunities exist and formulating a personal plan. This is very very important. Pursuing your career. Is this the right job for me? Am I feeling fulfilled and challenged? Does this job enable me to have the lifestyle I want? Like you have already done it. You have already chosen a job. You are doing the job, children, that is later in your life. And these are the questions you should still ask. Is this the right job for me? If not, change it. Am I feeling fulfilled and challenged? Does this job enable me to have the lifestyle I want? Or I'm just running and working and working and working, and there's no time for myself, there's no time for my family, or there's no time for what I want to do. Maybe your hobbies, maybe something more. So think about it, children. So that's all for this chapter. Now next one more chapter is remaining, which will be posted tomorrow in the daytime. Thank you. Have a great day.